Well, hello again. I am Mike. Thanks for joining me. Welcome. Today I'm going to be turning a bowl out of this piece of cedar. Gonna get rid of that guy, but got this piece of cedar from my in-laws, and I have quite a bit actually. So, fellow Tennessean Rick, he turned a really pretty cedar bowl, and I'm not gonna be able to do it justice, but I'd already planned on doing some cedar, so it's not a competition, but you should check his channel out. It's Wooden Treasures TN for Tennessee, and he makes some really beautiful stuff, so go check him out. And I'm gonna get started. Alright, I've already turned it around for the most part because it was pretty out of balance and jumping around everywhere, and so I spared you of that. So I'm gonna I gotta get this around. Might turn out to be smaller than I expected or planned, but be alright. Here we go. Alright, I'm going to try something that a viewer, Al Ward, told me about. That's wet sanding with oiled linseed oil from 80 up to, I think he said 2,000 or 1,200, but I'll go as high as I have. I don't think I have that high. That's to get a good shine on cedar. Alright, so that's doing better than I've had it do in a while, so I'll finish that part later. I'm going to turn it around and finish shaping. with my Easy Wood Tools rougher is probably not the proper way to do it, but man, it makes it easy. I was trying to decide if I want to leave this natural. There's so much, everybody's doing natural stuff these days, natural edge, but if I don't, it's going to cut it way down here. So I guess I am. I'm just going to round this off a little and then get rid of this loose stuff. Alright, let's do some sanding. Yeehaw. My plan is to sand all the tool marks out of it, and then I'm going to do the boiled linseed oil again, so I'll bring you back periodically because I know that's boring. More BLO. Right now I'm going to try put on some Axe polish restoring paste on top of all this boiled linseed oil. It's kind of experiment time for me. Oh, that's better. I don't know. I'm gonna keep trying. Okay, my quest for a beautiful shine. You saw me wet sand with the boiled linseed oil. Then I tried the Axe polish. Still didn't really do much. Then I tried this polyacrylic water-based, and it shined, but it left a lot of ridges from applying it. So I tried to wet sand that down. It being water-based, wet sand, it just took it off. So I just went back to the old faithful Axe abrasive sanding paste, and that's what you get. I just it never fails. We'll see how long it lasts, but man, it's pretty. So now I'm gonna do the inside. You're my best friend over there again. What do you think? Didn't get to shine the bottom, but pretty happy how it turned out. Took a few tries on the finishing techniques. Threw me off track there. I didn't show a lot of the finishing because, to be honest, I didn't know how it was going to turn out and which one's going to turn out. So I'm sorry I didn't show more of that, but Axe came to the rescue again as usual. I love that stuff. So Rick, you wished for a solid piece and no holes in mine, but gotta tell you, I was kind of hoping for some holes after I saw yours, the way yours turned out. It was nice. I'll put a link for Rick's channel down in the description, and you already saw it at the beginning. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. But thank you for taking time out of your day to watch. Hope that you come back and stick around and watch some of my previous ones if you haven't already. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. If you're not, I appreciate it if you would. If you don't, then that's fine too. I get it. So I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy, and we will see you in next time, hopefully. So have a blessed week and take care.